Hi, I'm Tailspin96. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the iOS 6 Simulator Devlog series. I just want to apologize for not uploading in a couple of weeks. The return to school has given me a lot of work and I have to catch up on that. But anyway, in this video, it's more of an update than just like an actual devlog where I'm coding stuff. I want to show you something that has been in the project since the beginning, but I never really talked about it, and that is custom applications. So yeah, there is a somewhat working version, and when I say somewhat, I mean it's up to how you create the app. But there is a system in place that allows you to dynamically add apps to the home screen if you have the editor and actually open them. So I'll show you what I mean. So in the apps folder, I just got a folder called custom apps. If you right click in the menu, you'll see under the create a thing called apps and a thing called app objects. When you click it, you get an app. This is your container. I'm doing air quotes, you can't see me, but that's what I did. In here defines all the information. So once it decides to load, you can do your app name. So I'm just say cool app. The scene name is what the scene that you're going to load or where your app is actually contained is. So I'm just going to call it cool underscore scene. It can be spaces. It's up to how Unity works. And then sprite is what the app icon is going to be. I'm just going to do this exclamation mark because why not? Now all you have to do is in the home screen here under app holder or wherever you want really. I'm just going to find an empty app. Yeah, perfect. What you're going to do, just drag it into the app script. Now we'll just make a quick scene as well so I can demonstrate. So for the scene, you need a few things. I'm just going to call this cool underscore scene. So that is what this is called. Oh, I actually spelled cool wrong. Didn't notice that. So cool underscore scene. And don't forget to add it. No, not to project settings. No, you want to add it to build settings. You can see I've actually done a couple of tests here. So I'll just delete those. And I'll just add cool scene in here. There. Okay. So in cool scene, yes, I will say that. In cool scene, you do not need the main camera. You just need a UI canvas, or actually I'm just going to make a panel to store stuff. Panel, you can delete the event system. You don't need it. And inside the panel, I'm just going to put some text as like a demonstration. So this is a cool app. Nice. That's it. So once we go back to the home screen scene, we can start the app or start the simulator, sorry. And once it does that, open up, you can see there's our cool app. It's got our app icon, the text is updated. And when we click it, we're in this. So by default, you will still see the background if you don't have a solid color, which I don't. The status bar at the top, I'll reorganize all of that in the commit and it should be all good to go by then. And the good thing about this is it actually follows the entire screen. So if I was to open up the app switcher, oh, my bad, sorry, I forgot one important thing. Inside the, sorry, not in the home, not in there. Inside your scene, make sure you have an object under your canvas. I'm just going to call it holder, and you give it the tag holder. That is very important. So once you have that, and then we will to open the project, and we'll open up our app. When we double click space to open the app switcher, our app actually follows, and you'll see it also pops up inside here in the app switcher. Then we go back, it will hide itself, etc. And then we can force quit the app and you'll see it just unloaded itself. So that's the app system. Off camera, I'm going to add a couple of not tweaks, but adjustments to the system, so it will be layered correctly. So with the status bar on top of it, so it's not obscured. So if I was to say inside the panel, put that to full, you can see that it's not. You can't actually see the status bar anymore. So that will be fixed by the time when this video gets released and the commit is pushed. It should be fine. In the future, I do plan to add some more fancy animations. So when you go out of the app and the home screen zooms in, the actual panel, so all this stuff up here, will zoom out. So it'll it will just go and shrink into the middle, into obscurity, and then you'll be fine. And then I'll also add an inverse where when the app, when you click on it, the app zoom out and the panel zooms in. Yeah, so that's all for this video. Not much, I know, but it's just a quick explanation of the fact that there is an app system in place for those of you who are curious. I do have some plans about what I want to add to the simulator in the future, one of them being an app development kit. So in the top, there should be, when it's implemented, there's going to be a little OS 6 button, and you'll be able to make your own app. It will just be you click one button, bang, you're straight in. And then you can just use all the prefabs that are available in here. I'll make some custom ones and whatnot that might be useful. So maybe a holder prefab, etc., etc. Other than that, that's all I've got for you today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.